Hey friends, stick around and watch me paint this painting using the Kuretake granulating colors that I just got in the previous video. So let's get started. And I'm going to start with a drawing, which I've sketched out on my 140-pound watercolor. And you can barely see the sketch there. It's pretty light. And I've got 3 brushes, well, no, 2 brushes, but this is what inspired me. This is a page out of an old book that I had, and I just love it. It's just muted colors. So I'm going to start by covering the entire page with the Kuretake granulating. It's called the orange, Aurora orange, and it's very interesting. So let's just get going here and cover the whole page. I didn't wet the page, so I'm using a very wet brush, and I'm going to float it all over the place. I'm going to leave some white spots, I think. We'll see. I filmed this a couple of days ago and didn't do a voiceover, so here we are. You got me talking to you. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And do watch it to the end to see the final outcome. I think it turned out pretty cool. Let's see, it's all that one color mixed up, and when you mix it up, it looks really gray, but once it dries, it starts to separate because it's mixed with a orangey pink, and it's very subtle. And I like it a lot. It's pretty cool. So just keep layering it on. I'm just going on top of the paint that I've already put on to get a thicker coat, or should I say a deeper color. You can see on the right there on my my paper towel the different colors of the Kuretakes that's laying down when I wipe my brush. Yeah, you can see the colors in here. I've zoomed in a little bit. They're pretty cool. Okay, so now I've got some burnt sienna and raw sienna mixed up. And I'm going to just start laying in some color. Okay, you can see the separation of color here in the background. So I am going to just put some music on for the next 10 minutes. So watch and enjoy.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find
Okay, I'm going to jump right back in again and give you an update. The pink color I have used is a Daniel Smith Rose, and two other colors, raw umber for the dark browns and burnt sienna for the orangey colors. And of course the Kuretake granulating color for the background, which was the orange. So just in case you were wondering, so I'm just laying in on top of my drawing right now. And it kind of looks sort of Art Nouveau-ish to me. I really like this painting, actually. It's very organic. Anyways, I'll put on some more music and enjoy.
Honey, put your phone down. I know you've been hurting. This spiral's a lonely road. Take my hand and listen. Maybe one day you'll cross paths, and you both got new perfumes, and the life you used to live is left within that old apartment. Maybe nothing's said and done, and your chest is set on fire, but I promise you there's nothing but a cold heart left.
Okay, well, if you made it this far, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you come back again soon for my next video. And if you want to know when I'm putting one up, just ring the bell and you'll be notified. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope you've enjoyed the video or lesson or whatever you call this thing. Go make smart.